Welcome to consumr.ai. Let's learn how to read a mentions report, where social listening becomes brand strategy and consumer feedback becomes competitive intelligence. The report summarizes core keywords and top category themes that surfaced across consumer commentaries, giving you an immediate sense of what your audience is talking about. Review the positive takeaways and pain points, what your audience loves about your brand, and which friction points generate the most negative sentiment and discussion. The consumer share of voice shows audience influencer distribution, which consumer segments drive the most discussion, and where your brand sits relative to competitors in terms of conversation dominance. The platform-wise breakdown shows where content originates: Twitter, Reddit, reviews sites, news, revealing where your audience actively discusses your brand and category. In the Categories section, click the stacked chart to explore category distributions and detailed sentiment breakdowns, understanding where satisfaction peaks and where problems concentrate. Each color corresponds to a sentiment rating, from 1, poor experience, to 5, excellent experience. Visual clarity on sentiment distribution by category. Click any category to see the comment breakdown. How many comments were positive, neutral, or negative, revealing sentiment composition and whether opinions lean positive. Explore the word cloud for that category, the most prominent keywords and trending topics in those comments, which specific phrases dominate the discussion. Check the sentiment summary to see the gists, positive, neutral, and negative summaries, translating raw comment volume into coherent sentiment themes you can act on. Trace insights back to specific reviews and comments. Connect aggregate sentiment to the granular consumer voice that generated it, ensuring every insight is grounded in real feedback. Need to compare sentiment between two groups? Use the Compare button. Side-by-side sentiment analysis, seeing how different audiences perceive your brand differently. Pick reports from past campaigns to compare against current sentiment, tracking how brand sentiment has shifted over time. Understanding which audience segments change their perception. Need to validate the methodology? Click Properties. Full transparency on how your mentions report was built and which sources powered your analysis. Report properties show all the details: report type, source, platform origin, date range, keywords monitored, brands tracked, full context on your social listening data. If you need continuous market monitoring, use the scheduling function, automating sentiment updates as consumer behavior shifts, so you never miss emerging threats or opportunities. Select a scheduling frequency of your choice: daily, weekly, or monthly, ensuring you receive automated intelligence updates automatically as sentiment evolves. Click Create Draft Campaign to take action. Convert sentiment insights into reputation management, customer response strategies, or competitive positioning initiatives. And that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. To learn more, write to us at info@profitwheel.com. You can also fill out a quick form at consumr.ai or read more at resource.consumr.ai.